My favorite musical genres. A cordial greeting. Uh, Rock is of my favorite music genres because it's classic, it's unique, and this is how escape for me. The rock is a spirit. The rock is the communication of the people. The rock has many variations. Their variations are the hard rock, the bubblegum rock, catalysis rock, folk rock, dance rock, grunge, new rock, the heavy metal, the punk, Daft Punk, and many other wonderful genres. Sorry. Uh, this is a guitarist. Uh, this is the best instrument, and this is beautiful. This is a pogo, is the dance of the rock, and this is this is that those who like rock do and punk. This is beautiful. And this is me. I am guitarist. Other of my favorite music genre is the hip hop. The hip hop is cool, is of protest. The hip hop is a reggae derivation. I think hip hop is the genre, genre of the most evil thing because the people who hear this dress old or school or white as they call it. But the hip hop is a lifestyle and it is the voice of the people. In my opinion, the classic rock and the classic hip hop are best of the new generation of rappers and rockers. Those genres are my escape and my way of protesting. Thanks for your attention. I am Diego Jimenez, software engineering student. Look for it.